And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is unboxing the beauty boxes. Now, I did say a while ago now that I am not subscribed to Look Fantastic and Glossyboxes, but I recently just found out that I'm still in the 12-month contract with them. So obviously I've unsubscribed to them. So once the 12 months is up, I will no longer be getting them. But the payment come out for these two boxes. So if they are January or February's boxes, I'm so sorry that I am late. It's just I'm trying to avoid getting these because obviously I'm unsubscribed to them and I don't want them anymore. It's not that I don't like them, it's that I've got so much to pay for at the moment, like the holiday. I just can't afford them at the moment, hence why I'm not subscribing to them anymore. So obviously I'm still in the 12-month contract, so I'm still getting these at the moment. So I thought, you know what, I will still do an unboxing for you guys nevertheless. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So I will leave the links on the boxes in the description box below for you guys, just in case you guys are interested. Obviously these are probably either January's or February's box, so these might not be actually on the website, but you can still get their latest beauty box, so you can subscribe to them. I will leave on the screen the clip of what the Look Fantastic and Glossybox subscription looks like, so you guys can see roughly of what the prices are looking like. You can do them as monthly or like a 12-month plan. I think there's like another plan as well, I'm not too sure, unless it's just two plans. Like I said, I'm unsubscribed to these, but I'm still in the 12-month contract, so I'm still be getting them until it is up and over. But yeah, you get the beauty box delivered to your door every month. It's like a nice little treat for yourself, or you can just subscribe to them and give them to someone else. You can give them to family or friends. You can actually refer people to the Glossybox as well, and it Look Fantastic. With the Look Fantastic one, you can shop on Look Fantastic website to actually purchase a few little things from there as well. And Glossybox, you can earn Glossy credits, which you can actually use the Glossybox advent calendar, or you can actually use the Glossy credits for the Look Fantastic website. It is totally down to you of how you use them. But let's get on to showing you what I have got. So the first one is the Look Fantastic beauty box. So they did actually come in beauty boxes just like this, but then they changed it and done it like environmentally friendly. So they've done it in like cardboard boxes now. So I wanted to show you guys, like I said, this might be January or February's box. These are so hard to open now. So sorry if the products are not into like this month's box. Like I said, I'm still in the 12 months contract, and this is probably either January's or February's one. So the first things first we have is some yellow scrunchies. Now, I don't normally wear yellow scrunchies, I just normally go for like the beige colours, but I'm actually going on holiday, so these will probably go well. I've actually got a couple of yellow outfits, so these probably might actually go well on holiday. So yeah, I got a couple of yellow scrunchies. Then I got some Colour Wow Colour Security shampoo for you guys. Then, now I love this, I've got so many of this. This is the Elements Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I absolutely love this. Sorry guys, I'm actually testing out my camera as we speak to see how well it is of filming as well. So if you see me doing that and then that, it's obviously because I'm testing out the camera as well as filming on my phone. If the camera is good enough to film, then I might actually film on my camera on holiday and then use my phone for pictures. But I will sort all that out anyway. Then we have an Aveeno Body Moisturiser Body Lotion. Now, I don't really use Aveeno cream. I don't know, I think it's just the smell of it. I don't really like it, so I always give this to my mother-in-law. She absolutely loves that. Then last two products we have is a Lottie London blush in the shade Haze. Now, this is the third one now I've got, maybe the fourth. But yeah, I do love Lottie London, but the same products over and over again, it gets boring after a while. And then last thing we have in here is the Mediake Vitamin C Serum. So yeah, that's everything from the Look Fantastic box. So let's move on to the glossybox. So again, the glossybox is a monthly subscription service. You can subscribe it to any plan you like, are easily cancelable as well. If you are like, say for example, if you're like me in the 12 months, you subscribe it to the 12 months plan, but then you find out in a few months later you don't really want them, you still have to have the boxes every month until the contract is up. So if you get the 12-month subscription, you've got to be literally in for it. Whereas I paid for it and I thought, yeah, I love it. This was obviously way before we was going on holiday. And I thought to myself, yep, I'm going to get my boxes back. I love them. I love all the products and everything. And then I thought to myself a few months later, I thought, I'm going on holiday. I've got to spend most of all my money on the holiday stuff and paying for the holiday. I can't afford the glossy boxes anymore. So I contacted them and wanted to end the subscription. But because I'm stuck in the 12 months contract, I've still got to get the boxes. So hence why I bought this. Sorry for that little rant there. Glossybox is exactly the same as Look Fantastic. You get these boxes every month to your door. You can either keep them for yourself or give them to someone else. So if you know if someone's feeling a bit down, or it's their birthday, or like Mother's Day, or this, that and the other, you can always treat someone to a lovely beauty box like this. Plus, some people have actually been keeping the boxes and using them for like different things. Some people are using them for like jewelry boxes, makeup, skincare, loads and loads of things. Some people actually use the boxes and like stick them on shelves and then pop little things inside the boxes. They actually look quite cute actually. I don't actually keep these boxes because I've got nowhere to put them. I've got nowhere to store them. I've got so many makeup already in my drawer. I don't really need these boxes. So yeah, these boxes come to your door every month and this is what they look like as soon as they come to your door. I've already opened this just to see what products I've got inside. So obviously you've got a black ribbon and you have a bit of pink tissue paper. And then, let me take this out. And then you have a few products in here. So let me show you what you get in this box. Again, this is probably the January or February's box. If it is, then I do apologise. Like I said, I'm still in the 12 months contract and I wanted to get out of it, but I still have to get the boxes. And the payment has actually just come out for these ones. So this is the Winter Secrets box. You get a little card now and it's got a little QA card at the back as well, so you can scan it. So first things first, we have a Beauty Works Wave Claw clip. This actually looks really interesting. I do like big clips because I've got long and thick hair. The small clips won't stay in my hair too long. So these big clips are going to be very, very handy for my head. Then we have a Bubble Tea Vanilla Mousse Body Mist. Now I'm actually excited to actually use that because I do like bubble tea products. Whether this is going to be impressive or not is another matter. Then let's start this one out. Then I have a Glow Glamour Cream Liner from the Oakley, I think that's how you say it. And this is in a shade Pink Treats. So, and then two more products we have in here. Then I have a Made by Mitchell liquid blush in the shade Shady Business. Now I love the Made by Mitchell products and I've got so many different ones of these now, so yeah, I'm so excited for that one. I've not actually tried them all yet. I keep trying to try them all, but then I keep thinking to myself, no, just stick to what you know, stick to what actually happens. I will try them out one day. I don't know when, but I will. And then last but no means least, we have a Paradox Growth Conditioner? Yeah, conditioner, 3-in-1 conditioner. Now, I've actually tried the Paradox shampoo and conditioner once. It came in my advent calendar. I don't know whether it was the glossybox advent calendar or the Look Fantastic one, but the Paradox shampoo and conditioner does smell quite nice. And the Matrix one as well, they actually smell quite nice as well. I was actually going to get the full-size bottles of the Matrix, but I thought, no, I want to keep to my hair burst. I love that one. But yeah, I actually do quite like the products. Guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, give it a like, comment and subscribe. Like I said, I will link the glossybox and the Look Fantastic beauty boxes in the description box below. Like I said at the beginning of this video, these boxes might be either the January's or February's box, so I do apologise for that. So the products that I'm showing you throughout this video, obviously other people have already had a few months back, and it's not actually this month's box. Because I'm trying to get out of the subscription, because obviously the holiday, I can't afford to pay them at the moment, so I tried to unsubscribe to them. But because I'm in a 12-month contract, I still have to get the beauty boxes. So while I'm still getting them, I will still show you. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. As always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.